Alright, let's find the value of y in this diagram. We have in the diagram O is the center of the circle, angle DOB is 120 degrees. What is the value of y? So as you can see, this is DOB. So this angle here is 120. We are required to calculate y. Solution. If this is the diameter, this is 90 degrees. Then let's call here x. So let angle DAO be x. So here also is s, that is angle ODA. Okay, so which is same as angle ODA because they are base angle of an isosceles triangle. Triangle OAD is isosceles triangle because this from OD is equals to OA. That is OD is equals to OA, which is the radii of the circle. So you can just call it the radii of the circle. Alright. Now angle DOB is equal to x plus x. Okay, this is a stereo angle. A stereo angle of a triangle. If you observe, you notice that we have something like this. We have something like this. Great. So here and this is our x. So this 120 is an exterior angle to the opposite interior angle. Okay, the opposite interior angle, something like this. So 120 here is our angle DOB. Okay, so it's an exterior angle to this angle. So we now have 120 degrees is equals to 2x. So that when you divide 120 by 2, you have 2x divided by 2. This can now cancel. Therefore, x is equals to 60 degrees. Now, to find y, now to calculate y, we are going to consider this bigger triangle, triangle CAB. Okay, so let's consider triangle CAB. To find y, consider triangle CAB. So we are going to have something like this. Something like this. This is our y. Here now is 90 degrees. So already this angle here is, remember, 60 degrees. Okay, so here is 60, here is 90. We can find y. So y plus 60 degrees plus 90 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So y will be 180 degrees minus 60 plus 90, that is 150 degrees. Okay, therefore y, which is angle ACB is equals to 30 degrees. So the value of angle y here, so the value of this angle y is equals to 30 degrees. Okay, alright, so that is how you can solve this particular problem. Since this is the center of the circle, so this is a radius, this is a radius, and this is automatically an isosceles triangle. Okay, let's solve question 2. Number 2, find the value value of y if y minus 4 all raised to power 3 over 4 is equals to 8. Okay, solution. We are given y minus 4 all raised to power 3 over 4 is equals to 8. Now, let's see what we are going to do. Recall, this we can also write this as y minus 4 power 3 times 1 over 4. This is same as 2 raised to power 3. So that I can have y minus 4 all raised to power 1 over 4, then all raised to power 3 is equals to 2 over 3. This rule here, when you recall that a raised to power m multiplied by m is same as a raised to power m n. Okay, so you can now observe that they have the same power. They have the same power here. You can equate the base. Equate the base. Good. So y minus 4 all raised to power 1 over 4 is equals to 2. Good. Is equals to 2. Now the next thing, in order to eliminate this 1 over 4, we're going to by 4. So raise both sides by 4 so that we can eliminate this 1 over 4. See what is going to happen here. We have y minus 4 all raised to power 1 over 4. Then raised to power 4. This is equals to 2 raised to power 4. So this 4 can cancel this 4. We now have y minus 4 is equals to 2 raised to power 4. But 2 raised to power 4 is equals to 16. Okay, so we can now have y minus 4 is equals to 16. So it's equals to 16. Add 4 to both sides. So I can now have, therefore, y is equals to 16 plus 4, which is equals to 20. So the value of y in this equation is equal to 20. So y is 20. Alright. Remember, there is still another way you can solve this. You can easily raise both sides by the inverse of this power. Then you take the cube root of 8 and raise it to power 4. It will still give you the same thing. Then add 4 to both sides to find the value of y. Alright, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like for more.